and welcome everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this video, we're diving into something truly exciting. Imagine integrating GPT-4 vision with LangChain and continuously generating and analyzing images in a simple yet powerful way. Well, that's exactly what we're about to explore. Before we jump in, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're interested in artificial intelligence and similar cutting-edge topics. Your support really helps the channel, so let's get started. First things first, let's dive into LangChain. This open source framework is transforming the way we build applications with large language models. It simplifies development, enabling faster and more efficient creation of advanced LLM applications. LangChain empowers developers by streamlining complex processes and enhancing interactivity. Ready to explore how LangChain can revolutionize your projects? Let's get started. We're going to continuously capture images from our webcam and have GPT-4 Vision analyze them in real time. But how do we do that? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Activate your virtual environment. Simply type conda activate langchain and press enter. Next, install langchain and OpenAI by typing pip install langchain OpenAI and hit enter. Don't forget to set your OpenAI API key. Type export OpenAI API key equals your OpenAI key and press enter. Step 2. Writing the code. Create a new file and begin by importing necessary modules from LangChain. From langchain.chat models import ChatOpenAI. From langchain.schema.messages import HumanMessages, SystemMessage. Set up your chat with chat.OpenAI, specifying GPT-4 Vision as the model. Prepare your query. In this case, we'll start with a simple one, asking the API to describe an image. We will pass the text and image type messages for the HumanMessage content property. Step 3. Analyzing the image. Run your script and voila! The API should return a description of the image, confirming its contents. But let's take this a notch higher. How about feeding images from your webcam to this setup? Step 4. Capturing webcam images. Install OpenCV Python headless for webcam capture. We'll write a small script to capture images every 2 seconds and convert them to a format that OpenAI can understand. Import necessary modules. Import CV2 for webcam capture. Import time to capture every 2 seconds. Import base 64 to convert images to base 64 to pass them to OpenAI. Write encode function to encode the image in base 64. Step 5. Continuous analysis. Add a while loop. The loop we create will continuously send these images to GPT-4. Inside the loop, we will capture the images every 2 seconds and send those to GPT-4 for analysis. Read the image from the capture and print an error in case of any error. Create a file name and use it to write the file in memory. Next, we will use our encode image function to convert the image in base 64. Finally, we pass the base 64 image to OpenAI model. Let's add the base 64 URL here in our prompt and close all the use resources related to camera capture. Run the script again and wait for the analysis every 2 seconds. We can see it analyzing the camera feed every 2 seconds and analyzing it to come up with a response. It describes the image from my webcam. Engineers code in a dark room, woo, it's recognizing that. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code and LangChain, you can set up a system that captures and analyzes images continuously. It's a fantastic way to explore the capabilities of AI in image recognition and analysis. I'll be sure to include all the necessary information and code snippets in the description below so you can try this out for yourself. And stay tuned, as we'll be exploring more such exciting AI integrations in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.